Good morning, Central Oregon. Happy Friday. I'd say I have some good news with some of this warm weather if you're obviously a fan of the warm weather, but it's really something we've been seeing all week, all really winter, as these above average temperatures are staying with us. We're seeing this warming trend stay with us into the weekend as well. A high of 51 degrees. That's from the Robertsfield Almanac. 9 degrees above average. The low of 29 is also 6 degrees above average. So it's above average temperature staying with us through the day into the night as well. Here's a look at your satellite and radar. We're not going to see really much activity today or really this weekend. We're going to see some partly cloudy skies into the area move out. Mostly sunny though, but there is one chance of some rain. You can see that system just moving into maybe the northern parts of Jefferson County and just into the Crook County area. So Prineville and Madras do have about a 20% chance of some rainfall today. The rest of Central Oregon though will see mostly clear skies and those warm temperatures. Here at the Redmond Airport, some of the current conditions right now, we are seeing a temperature of 36 degrees, 6-mile-per-hour winds. Winds won't be much of a factor today. We're probably going to see wind speeds anywhere from 5 to 10 miles an hour. And getting a closer look at some of the other conditions in the Central Oregon area, taking a look at some of the other cities. Now, yesterday, it took quite a while for some of these cities to get into the 30-degree range. It took us maybe until 6 a.m. to really see 4 cities, but most of us now are already there, almost above freezing as well. Sisters, the only city in the 30s that's not above freezing, and then Sun River and La Pine are the only 2 cities not in the 30s. Redmond and Bend at 36 degrees, well above average for this time of the year at this time early in the morning. Current wind speeds right now, I mentioned they're not going to be a factor today. They're not a factor right now. Redmond is really the only city seeing any activity at about 6 miles per hour. But as we move on through the day, wind speeds will pick up just a little bit. Nothing really above 10 miles per hour, though. Here's a look at your forecast highs today in the Tri-County and Jefferson or Wasco County area. A high of 50 degrees. That's for Warm Springs and Madras and Maupin. A low of 44. That's in Shaniko. Looking at Crook County, a high of 52 for Powell Butte and Prineville, and a low of 46. That's in Paulina. And if we get a closer look at Deschutes County, we are seeing a high of 51. That's for Terrebonne, Redmond, Alfalfa, 50 for Tumalo, Bend at 48 degrees, as well as Sisters, a low of 39. That's in the High Lakes area. So these warm temperatures we've been seeing all week staying with us today and for most of the cities in the Central Oregon area. Here's a look at the next few days. Our weekend forecast, what we can expect. More warm days, 51, 50, and 50. And if we take a look at our extended forecast to see what else we're seeing, we're getting closer to those average temperatures on Monday. We're going to drop down to 45 degrees on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, but we're still going to be above average on Tuesday, Wednesday, and really the rest of the week.